guess to give some background on the company and just for some people who don't know, because a lot of people that we talk to are like, oh, we make chocolate in Samoa. So to give some background, Wilex Samoa, short for Wilson Exports. Basically, we specialize in producing cocoa, noni, and kava products. It was started in 1986 by my father, Tangaloa Eddie Wilson, and mother Timalu Carol Wilson. Our mission is to supply quality Samoan products for the world. As we all know, our cocoa, our noni, our ava, we can't just sell it to the tourists who come as it is. We need to turn it into a good product that they can package and take back home with them. And this is the heart of Wilex, to help our people, to give them another option for a source of income. Our noni products include the tropical noni juice, and we collect the noni from our farms with we collect the noni from the farms all around Upolu and also Savai. Here's a picture of some of the farmers, and we also export it so that countries overseas can sell the product. Countries like Korea, Japan, the US. A picture of our farmers and also a collection there of the noni fruit, or the nonu fruit. We've recently, just before COVID, bought some new equipment for the nonu factory in order to produce the nonu juice, or to produce enough to support the demand from overseas. Our exports for nonu are exported in 1,000 liter containers, but also in noni pouches, which we'll show you guys later. We've got the noni pouch and also the 1 liter bottle. Our other products include Faalauiloa, which is made from Samoan kava, and we all know what ava is. Kava is exported as a drink, as in the powder form, to a lot of countries overseas, especially the United States. We found it to be a new up-and-coming recreational drink for a lot of people in the US, and we've been building the market with my father Tangaloa, and he's been developing and working on new ways of promoting kava overseas, which we continue to do. This is a photo of one of our farmers who bought in his ava, and he's holding some money there, which at the end of the day, so at the end of the day, our biggest aim is to provide financial income benefits for our farmers all over Samoa. And that brings us to our cocoa range. A lot of the times, I know us locals, we see the cocoa tree everywhere. But lately, you start seeing the cocoa trees are starting to disappear. Us here at Wilex, our main aim is to bring value back to that cocoa tree. To bring value to the farmers to see a profit in that cocoa tree. So we're excited to launch this new product that hopefully will benefit our cocoa farmers. Well, not hopefully, it will benefit our cocoa farmers if we can produce enough. And so that brings us to our main aim for today, is the launch of our peanut Chokky Slab. Our peanut Chokky Slab is a chocolate product that we've been working on for years. It's actually a dream that I know my father had from 2003, before the factory burnt down at Mota. This peanut Chokky was actually launched in New Zealand, and it was doing very well, and then sadly we had a fire at the factory in Mota, and it brings us right back to today, where we're finally relaunching this product as an official exportable product. And I'd like to call on our co-founder Timalu Carol Wilson. She could make her way to cut the ribbon for the official launch of our peanut chocolate. Yep, so the peanut Chokky Slab, as you guys can see here, we've got a brand new packaging to portray the Samoan traditional chocolate, or Samoan cocoa. And we've got a Samoan design here and a picture of our chocolate. We've also got some nice chocolate waves here for those who like chocolate. It's proudly made with Samoan cocoa beans and other local ingredients. Just on the TV screen there, you'll see our production line of the peanut Chokky. It's a new equipment that we bought in from overseas. We'll eventually send over the video file for the media to play clearly. Sadly, the equipment was brought over, but we're so lucky and blessed to have Aviata there, who knows how to run the machine now, who's been training for months trying to get it to work. I'll just show you another one. Peanut Chokky is also a proud sponsor of our Moata rugby team, and these are some of the kids giving the thumbs up for our peanut Chokky. Our other range of chocolates, the Faalauiloa, is our premium range of chocolate, where we use a higher grade of cocoa beans for the export market. Our Faalauiloa before COVID was in Hawaii and the US and in Fiji and also around the region. But sadly, because of COVID, a lot of our partner businesses had closed down because of COVID. Now we're building up again, and we've got some new orders for Fiji, and they'll be taking the peanut Chokky Slab with them. So hopefully we'll be back in Fiji and back in Hawaii soon, and the US. Obviously it's not easy work. We're gonna have to go around the world and try and promote it, but with the support of our local sales, we hope that can help us push our product. We're also in American Samoa at KS Mart and also Foursquare. And yeah, our product's all 100% made here at our chocolate factory in the back, which we'll show you guys soon. There's a photo of us in the Faalauiloa in the duty free in Fiji also, amongst other chocolate brands like Cadbury and Kit Kat, Whittaker's. But yeah, we're not trying to fight anybody. We're just trying to be our own brand and bring the Samoan cocoa brand out, because as we all know, the cocoa Samoa is selling a taste, is selling a flavor. Yeah, and if our founder Tangaloa has anything else to add, it's in right away.
You're doing a good job back there, Nathan. Yeah. Faktai dia lady, le yaso. Ole tu faktai tu afsi mai tama mai au. Ole pamo mo pe ona sa noia ya Nathan. Yeah, ele si pamo mo tu a fai anpo, wa fai yaso fai. Maliba tau sanga ona momi. Ole yon talon Nathan. Ole pamo mo. O le packaging for the peanut Chokky na ia Faalauiloa ona tatou share ma tunu I whako pe e tunu I Fiji tutuila e koe whamoe I isi tunu o tutua o le aunga au tu na ia whaterina marketi na ia mo waipea ia marketi mo loa ia tuto inga tatou tunu e koko ia mo le tu lai whakatai ane wa ngā mata au le miti a rewa mata whatina le lea o ia wa o te retire nofo mai tua ma titilo mai ia pena sa no nefe o le unga au tu ia Ia whaau pia le miti le Wilex sosoani. So tau au ma le au whaatoanga. Ma le atu no, wae. I fia tene tātou lau mai ta avale pusa ei sa TV mai whafo. But at the end of the day, tau na whapale ni mea, tau hoi na in tātou roe au mina tu whafo ina i sosoani whapale ni tātou trade. Me rane, ia. O sa tau pupu mo ne tu whaftai tātou media. But I understand you got some samples.
Yeah.
Well, le nga name there. Ma ia tātou tofu ia. Ja. Ia ma main tofu si le, all of si ma se si ta ma si le mai le le po anta, mo le tu whaftai. Maybe tasting after or
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, more 5 time media to look.